The opportunity to win pieces or pawns occur in most games. You only need a guide to help you find them. And with the power moves and the X-ray and the gang attack as our guide, let's look at this game and see if we can figure out a way to take advantage of the power moves that are present in the white camp. So do a power move, an offensive power move evaluation. So pause the video. Okay, you see that the knight is undefended, this knight and this bishop are undefended. So that signals the opportunity to possibly win something. So take a moment and see if you can win material, and I'll give you a little hint. Consider the bishop and everything it is X-raying. So pause the video again. Okay, when you move the knight, the bishop's power is revealed, and it will be attacking this knight. So then you look to see if there's something we can capture. This is a very straightforward move. Knight takes pawn, and then if the knight recaptures, the bishop can capture the knight. And that's what happened in this game. Okay, now let's fast forward to another position in this game. Okay, take a moment and orient yourself. Notice that the bishop is attacking this pawn, which means that this black bishop is pinned. If it moves, we have a classic queen-bishop mate pattern. You're always looking for these patterns that you found in the beginner section of this book, or ways to create them. Threatening powerful moves is the way to gain the initiative over your opponent and control his play. So it's black to move here, and I'd like you to take a moment and try to create a mating threat in two moves. So the first move will be a preparation, and the second move will be a mating threat. It's a little tricky, so take your time. Pause the video. You always want to look for ways of taking advantage of pieces that are already being attacked. And you notice this pawn is already being attacked by the bishop. And there's another mating pattern, another queen-bishop mating pattern. I don't know if you found it. When pieces move, the knight moved here in this game, and when pieces move, it opens up mobility for other pieces. So now the queen is free to slide here. White moved the bishop here. Actually saw this preparation, this possible mating pattern threat. And now the queen slides here, threatening mate right here. And the bishop slid back to defend. And now I would like you to take a moment and look at power moves that are available to black, including sacrificial ones. And it may lead to a one game. So pause the video. Okay, you need to allow your mind to look beyond normal captures. This will allow you to find winning tactics. If you notice, the long arm of the law is within reach of the king here, and the knight can slide here and check the king. This check is also an attack on the queen. It's a fork, classic knight fork. And if you include the king mobility in your evaluation, as you should on every move, you see that if the knight checks the king, it's another 1-2 combination. The pawn captures, the queen takes, and now there's no way to stop the mate. And white resigned. The queen here is mate. The queen-bishop battery is a powerful force to be reckoned with. If you see your opponent creating this, you have to do everything you can to break it up.